Hello everyone. Let's talk about a solution for mounting your phone in your 2019 to 2021 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500, 2500, or 3500. Specifically, we're looking at the Bullhorn dashboard phone mount from Never Inside. This mount aims to provide a clean, out-of-the-way location for your phone without obstructing your view. The key selling point here is the placement. It's designed to sit perfectly on your dashboard, integrating seamlessly with the interior of your Silverado or Sierra. This is a big plus for anyone who dislikes windshield mounts or vent mounts that can block airflow. It's important to note that this particular model is designed for trucks without the 110W outlet on the dash. So, make sure to check your truck's configuration before ordering. Installation appears to be straightforward, with easy release tabs for quick mounting and removal. The sleek, modern design blends in well with the truck's interior. The black color ensures it doesn't stand out too much and complements the existing dashboard. One of the best features is its compatibility with various phone holders. The mount comes with a standard 17mm ball, which is a common size for many aftermarket phone holders, including wireless charging models. This means you're not locked into using a specific holder and can choose one that best suits your needs. You can order it with or without a basic holder, giving you the flexibility to use your preferred setup. The Never Inside Bullhorn mount offers a dedicated and integrated phone mounting solution. If you're looking for a clean, unobtrusive way to keep your phone accessible in your Silverado or Sierra, this mount is definitely worth considering. The fact that it works with a wide range of phone holders is a major advantage, allowing you to customize your setup to your liking.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.